Good morning, everybody. It's October 8th, 2011, and we're coming off a beautiful week of weather for the first part of October. You just can't beat this weather. I've said it all week, and I'll say it again. This is just amazing weather for any time of the year. Overnight lows are cool, but not too cool, and daytime highs have been mostly in the upper 70s and 80s. Just nearly perfect weather. Keep in mind, if you want to see any of the graphics I'm showing you today, you can find most of them on the weatherobservatory.com page. Just click right here on the 7-day forecast, and it will take you to all the graphics. It'll take you to this forecast page. You can put in your zip code and look up your local forecast along with radar and satellite and just hundreds of maps. Let's take a look at the satellite view this morning. This is the infrared satellite, and you see this area out here to the west. This is that storm system that we've been talking about all week. Quite a few showers and thunderstorms have been along it. Bring up the radar here, and you see Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, a line of showers and thunderstorms and even some snow. Back here in the blue is snow. Back here in Colorado and Wyoming, some snow, pockets of heavy snow. And this band of rain will really not make it into our region until the middle of the week, when we'll see the storm pick up a little more energy out of the southwest and push through here on Wednesday and Thursday. We may have to deal with some showers and thunderstorms. Would not be surprised to see the Storm Prediction Center issue a slight risk for severe weather over parts of the Ohio Valley. A little unsure on the placement of that yet, but I was looking at the wind fields a little while ago, and the wind fields are quite strong with this system. The only thing missing is moisture. It may be a little bit moisture starved, but with a little help from the tropics this week, we may see a little more moisture boost into that system. And if so, we're going to have to watch it for some severe weather risk. I'll keep you updated as we move through the week. Let's take a look at today's precipitation outlook. And you see that snow I told you about in the Rockies, a little bit of snow. Denver, west of there, Denver should be rain and mostly snow out here. And then thunderstorms in the red, mostly in the central and southern plains, part of the Midwest there, up into Minnesota even, and then some showers and storms confined down to Florida. We move ahead to tomorrow afternoon and Monday, and you see it tries to creep into our region, but just doesn't make it. So for now, we're going to keep the forecast dry for Monday and Tuesday. If a few showers were to push into the area, it would probably be the western part of our area, and that would be St. Louis down to Poplar Bluff, that area westward. And then as we move into Wednesday, though, you see this area overspreads the entire central U.S. So we're going to have a cold front right through here, a low pressure up here in the Minnesota, Wisconsin area with a trailing cold front, maybe some showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday night and Thursday is when I'm most concerned. If we were to see anything significant, it would probably be during that time frame, and you could see some precipitation still outlined on during that time frame that I mentioned. Let's take a look at what the GFS off Right Weather is showing. GFS is a model that we use to forecast weather, and as we move ahead, this is this afternoon. You see that low pressure area out here in Kansas and Colorado and Nebraska that you can almost paint the cold front right there. Pink, green, blue, those are showers and thunderstorms. Again, some snow back here. We move forward, and this is Sunday afternoon. Again, you see the front is not making much progress. We move into Monday. Now here's this tropical system of some sort that we're watching in the Gulf of Mexico. This could push a little more moisture into the system. If so, that would be a concern for us towards the middle of the week. Here we go into Tuesday, and you see that the GFS tries to paint some rain. It pulls a little more moisture in. We'll keep an eye on that. For now, like I said, I'm going to keep it dry, but we'll be mindful of the possibility, and we may have to change the forecast. But for now, we'll keep it dry for Tuesday. And then here comes the bigger system that I told you about, the cold front. Wednesday, this is Wednesday night, and you see a fairly potent low, northern Illinois, Rockford area with a cold front behind it there, and this area here is showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could be on the strong side if this were to come together just right with a little more moisture. We move into Thursday. We see a deeper low over Chicago with the cold front and precip ending here. Some chance of severe weather over here in Ohio, eastern Kentucky, Indiana. Again, we'll keep an eye on this over the next few days, but for now, beautiful weekend weather. Enjoy it, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.